Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, finally ready to dive into investing. You've heard about this platform, M1, that everyone's talking about. It's supposed to be automated, customizable, and, well, pretty darn good. But then, you see a mention of fees. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you're just wondering, lurking in the shadows of financial uncertainty. The question burns in your mind, does M1 have a monthly fee? Let's be honest, hidden fees are the silent assassins of your financial goals. They sneak up on you, chipping away at your returns, leaving you wondering where all your money went. And in today's world, where subscription models seem to be taking over everything from streaming services to, well, everything, it's a valid concern. You don't want to sign up for something that's going to nickel and dime you to death. You want transparency. You want clarity. And you want to know, straight up, if you're going to be paying a monthly fee just to use M1. So, let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. M1, at its core, operates on a freemium model. That means there's a free tier, and there are paid tiers. The free tier, aptly named M1 Finance, allows you to access a wide range of features without paying a monthly fee. You can build your own portfolio using fractional shares, automate your investments, and even rebalance your portfolio automatically. All without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there are a few nuances to consider. While the core features are free, M1 also offers premium services through its paid tiers, M1 Plus. These paid tiers come with a monthly fee, but they unlock a host of additional benefits that might be worth it for some investors. Let's break down the free tier, M1 Finance, a little more. You get access to a user-friendly platform that allows you to create what M1 calls pies. These pies are essentially your personalized portfolios, composed of different stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. You can customize the allocation of these assets to match your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can set up recurring investments, ensuring that your money is working for you even when you're not actively managing your portfolio. And you can take advantage of M1's automated rebalancing feature, which automatically adjusts your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Now, here's where things get interesting. M1 Plus, the paid tier, comes with a monthly fee. This fee grants you access to a range of premium features that are designed to enhance your investing experience. One of the key benefits of M1 Plus is access to a second trade window. With the free tier, trades are executed once per trading day. M1 Plus allows for a second trade window, giving you more flexibility and potentially allowing you to capitalize on short-term market movements. Another significant benefit of M1 Plus is access to a higher interest rate on your M1 Spend checking account. This account, integrated seamlessly with your investment portfolio, allows you to manage your finances in one place. With M1 Plus, you can earn a competitive interest rate on your uninvested cash, helping you to maximize your returns. M1 Plus also offers access to a lower interest rate on M1 Borrow, the platform's margin loan feature. If you're looking to leverage your portfolio for additional investment opportunities, M1 Plus can help you reduce your borrowing costs. Furthermore, M1 Plus provides access to smart transfers. This feature automates the movement of money between your M1 Spend and M1 Invest accounts, ensuring that your cash is always working for you. If your checking account balance exceeds a certain threshold, smart transfers will automatically move the excess cash into your investment portfolio. Conversely, if your checking account balance falls below a certain threshold, smart transfers will automatically move money from your investment portfolio to your checking account. So, who is M1 Plus for? It's primarily aimed at active investors who want more control over their trades, higher interest rates on their cash, and lower borrowing costs. If you're a passive investor who's happy with the core features of M1 Finance, the free tier might be all you need. Let's talk about the specific costs involved. The monthly fee for M1 Plus fluctuates, so it's always best to check the current pricing on M1's website. But it's important to weigh the cost of the subscription against the potential benefits. If you're an active investor who can take advantage of the premium features, the monthly fee might be a worthwhile investment. Now, you might be wondering, are there any other fees associated with M1? While M1 doesn't charge commissions on trades, there are a few other potential fees to be aware of. For example, there may be fees associated with certain types of account transfers or outgoing wire transfers. It's always a good idea to review M1's fee schedule to understand any potential costs. Another thing to keep in mind is the expense ratios of the ETFs and mutual funds that you invest in. These expense ratios are fees charged by the fund providers, not by M1. However, they can impact your overall returns, so it's important to consider them when building your portfolio. In summary, M1 does not have a mandatory monthly fee for its core investing platform, M1 Finance. You can access a wide range of features, including automated investing, portfolio rebalancing, and fractional shares, without paying a monthly fee. However, M1 does offer a premium tier, M1 Plus, which comes with a monthly fee and unlocks a host of additional benefits, such as a second trade window, higher interest rates, and lower borrowing costs. The decision of whether or not to subscribe to M1 Plus depends on your individual needs and investment goals. If you're an active investor who wants more control and flexibility, the premium tier might be worth considering. If you're a passive investor who's happy with the core features of M1 Finance, the free tier might be all you need. It's crucial to do your research and understand the costs and benefits of each tier before making a decision. Consider your investment style, your financial goals, and your risk tolerance. And remember, the best investment platform is the one that aligns with your individual needs. Don't let the fear of hidden fees hold you back from achieving your financial goals. By understanding the different tiers and the associated costs, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that's right for you. Whether you opt for the free tier or the premium tier, M1 offers a powerful and flexible platform that can help you build a diversified portfolio and achieve your financial dreams. And remember, investing is a long-term game. There are no guarantees, and it's important to stay disciplined and focused on your goals. Don't let short-term market fluctuations derail your long-term plan. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay invested. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.